Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing into the account you want removed. You need the linked Google email and active phone for verification, so have them ready. Once signed in, make sure you back up or export transaction records and unpair any connected cards. Otherwise, refunds or records may be harder to retrieve. Now tap your profile icon, because the account level settings are where removal begins. Follow these immediate prompts to reach account management. You next remove every payment method. Tap Payment Methods and delete each card and bank account. This prevents later reconciliation issues. If you have scheduled payments or subscriptions, cancel them now so they don't fail after removal. Also go into Settings to turn off autopay and delete saved addresses, passes, or loyalty cards tied to your profile. Doing this step thoroughly ensures there are no lingering monetized connections and makes full account removal safe and clean. You finish by deleting the Gpay account from Settings under Account or by removing Google Pay from your Google account. Confirm identity via two-factor prompts and accept the final removal. You'll get an email or SMS confirming completion. If the app won't remove the account, clear cache, update the app, or try removing it from Pay. Google.com. If you still have problems, contact bank support to ensure no holds exist. This troubleshooting tip resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.